amateur people. Got a winter project here. Was really horny to get a steel frame CR125 for a long time, and this one kind of popped up out of the blue. Went to pick it up about a month ago. I apologize, I tore it all down in a frantic hurry and within a few days. Not really sure why. Tried to get a parts list going, I guess, but I didn't film any of that, so I'm gonna post some pictures right now of what this bike actually looked like when I picked it up. It is a hodgepodge of different parts of 90s CRs. The frame itself is a 92, even though that's worn right off. The end indicates that it's a 92, but the airbox, which should be white, is not. So this is a 96 or 97. I think the subframe 2 has to be different to accommodate this airbox. I'm not 100% sure on that. If there's anyone that does know for sure, hit me up, because that might save a bit of guesswork. The side panels are from a 95 up CR. Same with the rad shrouds. These aren't the original shape. And the engine, which I'll show you in a second, is from a 97. I ran the serial number on it. So that also means the carburetor too. I looked at the model number. That is also from a 97. What else? This fuel tank. It looks like ass because some idiot in the past decided to paint it. People, don't ever paint your fuel tanks. It's just a bad idea. It never works. Ever works. So anyway, that's going to take me a lot of time. I'm not sure what year this is from, and I'm almost thinking it looks oversized actually too. You'll see in the pictures of the fully assembled bike. I've got a kind of hodgepodge of parts here. The shock is obviously a 92, just the paint on the spring, it's original spring. Swing arm and all that other lower rear end stuff is for sure a 92. The plan is for this one to, I obviously can't restore it back to 100% stock looking. I mean, I could, but I'm not sure it's worth it. Finding the correct airbox that's in good shape is like finding hen's teeth. There's a few on eBay that I was looking at, but they're already kind of mangled. So I'm not really sure if that's worth it, because I can't just change the airbox. The boot diameter to fit the carb is different for these years, I believe. And the subframe 2, like I say, I'm not 100% sure. Holy, what's going on with the light? That's better. Nope, it's doing it again. Sorry, I'm not having a rave in here. I don't know what's going on with the light. The subframe, I'm not sure if I would need a 92 one. So anyway, I'm going to end up, what it'll be, a bunch of parts already over there, more plastics coming. Shout out Fortnite, shout out Revco and Royal Distributing. Can you guys all, if you're watching this, please give me unreal discounts. I've spent thousands of dollars at your stores over the years. Anyway, besides the point. I've got the stock graphics, the rad shroud graphics from, got them sent from the Netherlands actually. Got them already, so I plan on having it look, it's going to be all that nuclear red plastics. It's just that the side panels are going to be the updated, slightly newer 95 and up style, just like this. And the other difference will be this won't be white, which, whatever. Can't win them all. So it's not going to be an exact replica, which I'm a little bit bummed about, but at the same time, whatever. I just want a kick-ass 125 at the end of all this. I got it at a decent price, and these steel frame CRs, they don't come up very often. Let's do a quick scan of all the other stuff. It's got a little fart can there. I'm not sure, must be a 97 pipe. But they're probably all interchangeable, I think, from say like 91 and up, or 90. I need a new rear brake lever. That thing is completely, like, I've never seen so much slop in one for the clevis. I'll have to figure something out there. Yeah, the tank's going to take a lot of work. The frame, I'm going to get sandblasted and powder coated, which I've never actually had done before. So that's going to be a new thing for me. See how it goes, I guess. Have a lot of parts to begin with here. All the bearings, like the linkage, swing arm, wheel bearings, all that nonsense. Have all that. Wrench Rabbit rebuild kit. It ran coming in here, but not great. And I don't ever trust these used, especially when they're this old, used bikes, coming from a person that doesn't really know anything about them. Kind of a little skeptical. But check out this red. Man, it's gonna look sick. I'm a sucker for the 90s look. Initially I was also thinking he had this bike listed as a 95 initially, and I got really excited there because I was like, oh man, I've always wanted one of them purple seat, ridiculous looking 95s, but again, on closer inspection, realized no, it's actually 92, which that's okay. I'm a 92 model myself, so, and I do like the way the stock bikes did look, so I think we're gonna just try and replicate that as best we can. But yeah, like I say, these are 95 and up side panels. Those aren't what the original ones would look like. Yeah, still waiting on a few plastics. Wrench rabbit rebuild. I'll do an engine rebuild video here right away on it. And then I've got, I don't know, a few other odds and ends. Been to Honda a few times already. Shout out Midel Honda. Yeah. So, gonna be picking away at it anyway. Here's Le Moteur. And again, the 92s, the cases were painted in black. I think they left the cylinder aluminum colored, natural, but they painted all this other stuff black, so that's another giveaway that this isn't a 92. It is a drop-in replacement, but whatever. I don't know who did the conversion back in the day, but parts are getting hard to find for this stuff, so makes sense, I guess. The seat cover here, I just roughed it in for now. Don't mind the ripples. I hope to get rid of them. This I got sent from Thailand. It's one of those like $40 ones on eBay. Pretty good deal. Although it's a little darker red than I was thinking or hoping for. If I'm not happy with it all said and done, I think Throttle Jockey makes a really good replica of the kind of pinky red from that era of CRs. But anyway, down the road, I was just really excited to see how it looked, so took that off. But yeah, I've been posting in a while, got a new baby, and you know how that goes, so hope to put out a few more videos here, kind of showing the rebuild process on this old rig. And for the purists out there, I know it hurts me too. I can't put it back to 100% stock, or at least I don't want to. I don't think it's really worth that much right now to spend the money to get it there. So this will be a mixed bag of all the best bits from the 90s. Anyway, catch you guys later. Turd out.